Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys Infinix phone guys phone do not disturb. How can we on and how can we use it? Friends, we want to on guys your Infinix phone guys phone do not disturb settings of how to on and how to use it. In this video guys we will talk about. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your Infinix phone guys phone setting guys. So we will on and we will search here guys do not disturb. So we can find easily guys phone do not disturb setting from here. So I will search here do not, hence you can see do not disturb. So we will tap here to on it. So once you can see do not disturb guys, direct guys you can on guys your do not disturb setting guys, and you can use. So after on do not disturb guys, you can see do not disturb will stay on until you turn it off. So you will not off guys your do not disturb. Your do not disturb will not off automatic guys. You will have to off you want. So you will have to off, and this after on guys your phone guys, you can see guys this ringtone guys, this phone guys, this ringtone guys, media volume guys will off automatic guys. You can see guys I cannot use it. After on guys the do not disturb guys, we cannot use guys this media volume guys. You can see it will not work in our Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends understood how to on and how to you do not disturb, and when after on get do not disturb get do not disturb mode icon will show on status bars. So bye guys.